So again, being a history, the JCC actually started in the United States in 1986. We actually went into Novi right down the street here from the Wixom Tech Center. And when we did that, we actually started with a standard jet clean center. Back then, actually went into Ford. We did that in 1986 with Miki Nakagawa-san, and actually has gone from that point. Open air is where we started. We call it a 102. It's actually open, and it started at 650 millimeters. We're all the way up to now 1,650 millimeters in an open air. So anywhere in that brand, so 650, 750, 1,000, and 1,650 are standard sizes. We do custom systems. We can get anywhere, well, we've quoted 144 inches, so we've gotten big. With that said, all your options, open air, immersion, like it says, it's immersion. It's going to be in a tank where actually, when you have tight specs, immersion is the way to go. Then we also offer turntables. So if you have a high production volume, so I'm constantly using both sides of the turntable. So I'm loading and unloading, drying, and also on the backside, I'm doing all the cleaning and the deburring at the same time. So we get more production out of it. And each and every one of those models are available in those sizes.